Hello everybody and welcome to my Birds and Bees Christmas special. My name is Shad and today we got a 1971 Roadrunner. We'll get right into it. This is what we got right here. 1971 Roadrunner. I picked this up in 2021 from a farmer out in Wisconsin. I'm from Minnesota, so we had to take a drive to go out and check it out. He had it listed on Marketplace as a 1971 Prowler. Obviously it's not a Prowler, but I had to figure out what it was and get it anyways, because when I saw it, I wanted it. It's originally a 340 car. Came with a 360. It's also an N96 car, but that hood's gone too. So anyways, I've been working on it and making some progress. It's sort of a survivor, needs a restoration, but like I said, I'm trying to figure out how to work on it, figure it out all on my own. It needs some work. My last video, obviously I did the headers and did some work on that. Let's see if we can figure out if this thing will get started. Birds and Bees Motor Parts. I just made up the name for my little shop here. I don't really have any parts. That's the one I have. Please don't call me for parts. That's unless you want a 71 Valance. I put a new shifter in it. And the headliner was kind of racked up, so I ended up putting stickers all over my headliner where all the holes are from the mice, just to keep the fuzz from falling on my seats. So that's kind of what I did with that. Got a new heater core from Jimmy at Air Grabber, so I do have heat again. Worked on that down there, so that was kind of cool getting that figured out. I wonder if this thing will start. It's been a minute since I started it, but let's see here what we got. Oh, there it goes. Nice. Okay, so we got oil pressure, and it's running. Okay, cool. So I did those headers a couple years ago, and I realized they're leaking. So I got some more work to do on it. Let's see if I can get this buddy open. Yeah, I got a new alternator, new horn, new battery. Like I said, I did the headers, but they're whipping a little bit. You can kind of hear that leak. But it's not leaking anything under here, so that's good so far. Yeah, nice. I'm glad it's running. I'll let this buddy run for a little while. I got a cool sign from Jimmy too. My little shop out here. Whoops. Oh, shit. All right. Oh well. Yeah, I need a little body work here. This came like that, so I don't know what I got to do to fix that. But like I said, I'm just trying to keep this thing running. Got to do a little cruising this year. Brought it to a car show. Realized those were kind of boring, but that's all right. Maybe when I get older, I'll be into doing stuff like that. Right now, I'm just having fun working on it, keeping it running. There's always something to fix, it seems like. Let's turn this off here. All right. Oh, again, sorry about this video. I don't mean to be moving around so much. It's got a solid floor. I ended up kind of cleaning that up, putting some floor mats in it so it doesn't get all dirty. I had some mice problems, but found out those dryer sheets take care of that. Came with these big wheels, 17 inches. I like it. It's got a good stance. So yeah, it's what I got so far. I'm working on it. I'm learning. Again, sorry I'm not a mechanic or a video maker, but it's fun doing this, and so I'm doing the best I can. I appreciate your patience. Probably won't be doing any more how-to videos, but it's fun just checking this thing out, working on it. I'm just going to keep putzing with it, playing with it, having a good time with it. Someday I'll get that N96 hook back on there, maybe. I got a satellite hood to do that with. So anyways, like I said, it's Christmas special. Put up some special lights for the holidays, and just wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas. So be safe out there, have a happy holiday, and we'll see you next time. Thanks everybody.